Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm coming with that energy today, and today we're gonna be doing a video, as you can already see by the title we on. Look for it is Valentine's Day, and I got y'all with these looks. I tell y'all I'm coming out with look 5 next. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and get into this video. Let's go. Let's get straight into it with the Nikita palette. We're gonna go ahead and use Mama Dragon, and we're gonna go ahead and add that on the top of our crease. I don't know what you call this. Let me know in the comments down below. Is it called like the over eye or something? But we're gonna go ahead and just put this all on the top of our crease in kind of a half moon motion. Now we're going to go ahead and use our blending brush, and we're going to blend that out into the top of our eyelid, closer to our eyebrow. So let's just blend that out. I'm going to be using a darker purple. This is Mystique. And we're going to go ahead and use our crease brush and go into our crease with that darker purple. Alright, so now that we have both eyes done, I'm going to be using a flat conceal brush, and we're going to go ahead and conceal this in a half moon. I'm trying to get it as circular as possible, and I do apologize for it being turned off to the side. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. But I try to get as close as possible so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, and I'm just trying to make it as circular as possible. I don't want it to be any other shape than a half circle, I guess you would say. Now we're going to be using Katana, and we're going to be, and it's like a glitter, so we're going to be putting that all over our eyelid except for a little portion in the middle of the bottom middle of our eyelid. So you're going to see how I do that here. I'm just blending it out, bringing it in, and I'm going to bring it around the top and then back around to the other side, leaving a little small portion out. You're going to see why. Okay guys, I apologize for this part. So what I'm using actually on this, I am using the LA Sunrise in the Revolution palette. I mean LA, not LA Sunrise, it's LA Sun, and it's a golden color. So use any golden color. I was literally just trying it out to see how it would look, and it didn't turn out to look very cute. But again, I'll make sure I have it down in the description below. And I did not like the gold mixed in with this violet purple, I guess. So I had to fix it. And I literally thought I recorded my other eye, and I didn't. So basically, I went in with I went in with the LA Sun, and then I went in with another color. I'm going to put it in the description once I get my palette out. But it's in that same palette that I'm looking in right now. So the LA Sun and the color I went with on top of that, it's sort of like a silver color, a silverish blue. So I went in with that on top of the gold. And I really thought I recorded my other eye to show you guys exactly what I did, but I didn't. So this is me just speeding up the video to 8 times the speed. You feel me? Because I done my makeup so many times and showed you guys exactly how I do it. If you guys want to see exactly how I do my makeup, you can check out one of the last videos where I give you step by step. Actually, it'll be in the first Valentine's Day series, so go check that video out, and I give you step by step on exactly what I do, except for my eyebrows, because I have a individual eyebrow video, so you can also go check that out. But I just sped this video up 8 times, so I'm gonna let you guys sit back and enjoy, and you can pause the video if you need to, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch. I'm so lit. I got this video done. Done, son, bun. All right, guys. Whew, I love this look. This is up my alley. Okay. This is for me. Yes, I came up with a technique. I came up with the color scheme. You know, I was trying something. I was trying to go with a little gold because I don't wear silver. So I was like, a little gold. But then I was like, wait a minute. It don't mesh. So I had to, you know, mesh it together. And then I had to go with something that, you know, I could put on right quick. Give you a little shoulder. This shirt is gonna give you shoulder regardless because it literally doesn't stay up. That's exactly why it was only $15 in sweater season in Forever 21, because it was a defective shirt. That's why people were probably coming back and returning these Jones. If I had on a bra, I would basically just tuck it in, but it's like the back is out. The back is really low and it's like tied in like some type of tie. It's cute, but it's like bras, but really messed it up. Depending on where you're going. But let's just say we're going out on a Valentine's Day. I would wear this out, but I would just be adjusting myself, making sure I'm Gucci. Even though, you know, the wiggles is little, they still need to be covered and hidden, not out there for everybody to see. This is my bed. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend, and subscribe. That's it. And you know why I'm so hyped about this look? It's because purple is one of my favorite colors. I have two. See if you can guess the next one. But leave a comment down below my second favorite color. It's actually my first favorite color, but it's like they're kind of equal. But that's why I'm so lit. Every color, every shade of purple, I'm like here for it. And this to me, yeah, I can say, oh, that's violet, or that's this color. It's purple to me. To you, I'm so loving this look. I would do this. This is cute. I'm feeling myself. I like it. Baby hair is popping. Okay, come on, squirrel. Come on, swirl. Come on, swoop. Okay. Come on, cowlick. Let's go. Anyways, so that's it for this video. I'm gone. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the... Dang it. I think I'll be good. But anyways, yeah, I'm gone.
What is this?